Don't forget about maintenance. Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I forget about maintenance all the time, and then it gets out of hand, or the need for it gets out of hand, and then I'm gonna have to remind myself, gosh, if you just kept up with it regularly, like taking that 10 minutes per hour to clean up after yourself, or taking that one weekend a season to spend some extra time on the cobwebs, or the moving the plants, or the trimming the trees, things would be rolling a lot smoother. It's really, there's not one way, and I don't think you should hold yourself to anybody else's standard. I don't think you should compare yourself to the Joneses or anybody else. Nonetheless, in general, if you're feeling overwhelmed, there's a good chance that you're not keeping up with that maintenance stuff. I know from experience, I'm speaking from the real deal knowledge here. And I've done both directions, you know, moved in both directions in that. And again, I'm not trying to put myself on a pedestal or put myself down or compare myself to anybody but myself, and say that at the times when I do a better job of keeping up with maintenance of my body, of my life, of my world, of my work, and my relationships, then they all go smoother. And when I drop the ball, so to speak, and I don't keep up with that maintenance, then eventually, you know, things will cruise along for a while, but eventually things will start to break down, start to get too cluttered and overwhelming, start to be dysfunctional, less than optimal. That's the cool thing about maintenance. So, I mean, I think it can be overdone, maybe not. Maybe that's, you know, a fault of mine. I like to go with the flow sometimes, I guess, would be the accurate reflection of that. And in that, it means sometimes letting go of the program and going with the flow. Still, I guess because I have that tendency, it's important for me to get really ingrained, to have rituals, regimes, regular routines that I do to keep up with maintenance, and that I, even if I drop or put down or stray from sometimes, that I can come back to and adjust. Here's another thing. Maintenance needs adjusting. You get upgraded equipment, you get new technology, you get different help, you lose help, whatever it is. Maintenance takes maintenance. The maintenance routine takes upgrading, takes examining, takes, updating, up-leveling, checking in with on a regular basis. So how's your maintenance doing? How are your routines serving you? Do they serve you real well? Is everything going smooth? Or maybe do you need a little upgrade, a little reanalysis of your maintenance systems? If you care to share, put that in the comments. As always, you can find other ways of connecting with me in the description. And until next time, I wish you lightheartedness, peaceful conflict resolution. And don't forget to play every day.